Hi guys, it's Marty here, and in this video we're going to be learning how to install a theme on WordPress. This is going to change the entire look of our WordPress site, so we can turn a website that looks like this into this, or this. And all just by installing a new theme. Okay, so there are two different ways to install themes on WordPress. We can either search for and install the theme directly through our WordPress dashboard, or we can upload a theme that we've downloaded from somewhere else. And we're going to cover both methods in this video, starting with the easiest. So to search for a theme through the dashboard, we just need to log into our WordPress site and visit the dashboard. Then if we click where it says Appearance on the left, this is going to show us any themes we already have installed. And as we can see, I'm currently using a theme called 2021 in this example, as it's the one that says active. If we want to change to one of these other themes we have installed, we can hover our mouse over it and click Activate. Or to install a new theme, we just need to click Add New at the top, which is going to show us all of the free themes available for us to install. And there are literally thousands of them for us to choose from. But the cool thing about WordPress is, we can change our theme as many times as we like without affecting any of our pages or posts. So we can just keep changing it until we find the one we like. Or if we know the name of the theme we're going to be installing, we can type it into the search bar in the top right. For this example, I'm going to be installing a theme called Astra, so I'm going to type the word Astra into the search bar. Then once we find the theme we're wanting to use, we can hover our mouse over it and click Install. Once it's finished installing, we just need to click Activate. And now when we visit our site, we'll see that the new theme has been installed and our website looks completely different. And now we're going to move on to the second method for installing themes, which is by uploading them to our site. So if we download a theme from another website, it'll be in a zipped file. Then we need to upload this zipped file to our WordPress site in order to use the theme. So once we have the theme file downloaded to our computer, which I do, we need to visit our WordPress dashboard to upload it. Then just like before, we're going to click Appearance on the left and click Add New at the top. But then instead of searching for a theme, we're going to click Upload Theme at the top. Then click Choose File in the middle, and we're going to search for the theme file on our computer. When we find it, we just need to click on it, and click Open, and then click Install Now. WordPress is then going to install the theme onto our site, and once it's finished, we just need to click Activate. Now when we visit our site, we'll see that the new theme has been installed successfully and our website has changed again. So that's us now at the end of this video, and that was two different ways to install themes on WordPress. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, please give it a like here on YouTube to show your support, and consider subscribing to the channel for more WordPress tutorials in future. Once again, my name's Marty from letsbuildwp.com, and thank you very much for watching my video.